everyone! Would you believe me if I told you that this entire song is AI generated?
City lights shining, a limitless view. In the heart of the night, it's me and you.
It sounds so smooth and professional that most people would never notice it wasn't created in a real studio. Right now, there are YouTube channels pulling in millions of views simply by generating songs with AI. And the best part? It's not even complicated. You don't need years of experience in music production. You just need the right tool. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own songs, covers, and even full music videos using a powerful platform called TopMediai. You'll find the link in the description. Step 1. Getting started. Once you land on the website, you'll see a variety of tools, but in this video, we're focusing on the AI music generator. Click Get Started for free and log in. The platform gives you multiple options to generate music. Lyrics to music, turn your written lyrics into a full-track prompt to music. Simply describe the song you want, and it creates both the lyrics and melody image to music. Upload an image and let the AI create music inspired by it. There are also 4 different models you can choose from. I recommend selecting the latest one for the best quality, though it costs a bit more credits. Step 2. Lyrics to music. If you already have lyrics, this is the best starting point. Paste your lyrics into the input box. You can organize them into verse, chorus, bridge, and rap parts for better flow. Next, define the style of your music. This includes the genre, mood, and instruments. For example, you can go with pop, rap, jazz, EDM, or even orchestral. Then choose a voice, male or female, and give your song a title. Finally, click Create, and the AI will instantly generate multiple versions of your track. What you get sounds surprisingly professional, like something straight out of Spotify. Step 3. Prompt to music. Don't want to write lyrics yourself? No problem. With prompt to music, you just describe the kind of song you want. For example, an upbeat summer pop track with catchy vocals about chasing dreams. The tool will automatically generate both the lyrics and melody, complete with vocals in your chosen voice. With just one sentence, you'll have a full song.
I'm chasing whispers, chasing songs.
Step 4. Image to music. This is one of the more unique features. You can upload an image, say a city skyline at night or a fantasy artwork, and the AI will compose a track inspired by that visual. You can then fine-tune the mood or emotion of the song, select a voice, and let the generator create a custom track.
City lights shining, a limitless view. In the heart of the night, it's me and you.
Step 5. AI song covers. But it doesn't stop at original songs. With TopMediai, you can also make AI song covers. Go to the AI cover tool in the sidebar. Here you'll find a huge library of celebrity and artist voices. You can literally take any song and reimagine it as if it was sung by someone else. For example, you can upload an audio file or paste a YouTube link, then select a voice like Drake, Taylor Swift, or even Donald Trump just for fun. The AI will process the track and create a completely new version in that voice.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now.
Step 6. Making a music video. What's a song without a music video, right? TopMediai also lets you turn your audio into a music video. Use the image to video feature. Upload an image of your subject, describe the scene, and the tool generates video clips. You can then sync these with your song.
Together we'll chase the dreams that feel so right. As long as...
Step 7. Pricing and value. The best part is that you can start for free, and if you upgrade, it's super affordable, around $5 a week. With that, you can generate up to 200 songs with no limits on downloads. That's enough to run a full YouTube channel or produce content for social media at scale, and that's it. With TopMediai, you can write your own songs, generate full tracks from prompts or images, make AI covers and celebrity voices, and even create entire music videos all in one platform. So, if you've ever wanted to make music but didn't know where to start, now you have no excuses. Check the link in the description and start experimenting today. TopMediai, create, remix, elevate.